Good morning everyone! Today is the day na magpa-flight na tayo going to Philippines. So yung taxi natin darating 5 AM. So before anything else, this is our house in Poland. Pakita ko sa inyo before ako maglinis. Nakakamiss naman. Miss ko na agad. Hindi pa nga ako lumipad. Baka. Kasi nga matagal tayong babalik eh. Tutulog pa silang lahat guys. Si Mati, si Lily, tsaka si Tata. Kasi si Tata late siya natulog. Gigisingin ko yun siya mga after 1 hour. Maglilinis muna ako, impake at magbibihis. Kinakabahan na naman ako. Oh my God. Alam mo yun? Kinakabahan ako pag may flight kami. And of course, at the same time, I'm excited. Hello guys. So nasa kusina tayo ngayon nagbablog dahil nga tulog pa nga silang lahat. And then, it's almost 3:30 na. Gigisingin natin si Tata. Nagpe-prepare na ako ng hot water. Sana naman ay wala ng aksidenteng mangyari. Last time na pamutok yung ating tubig sa loob ng bag ni Tata. But anyways, ngayon ako yun na yung magdadala ng tubig. Before tayo aalis, please don't forget to subscribe our channel so you will always be updated in our Philippine vlog. So I will show you guys my outfit.
We Filipinos never forget our loved ones, especially this Christmas season. Even if we are far away from them, we always want them to feel that we care. Guys, TransferGo want you also to feel the same way. We are very excited to announce that TransferGo sponsored to our Christmas giveaways this year. This is a chance for Filipino expat in Europe and in UK to win £200 so you can reunite with your family back home in the Philippines.
To join, simply make your first transfer with TransferGo.
And comment your unique referral code under this post. Lastly, tag a friend. And of course, the announcement of winner will be posted in my stories after 10 days. Start transferring now and let's make this holiday extra special for you and your family. Merry Christmas to everyone!
Sa ngayon, nag-ano pa ako kasi nga malamig. And then, kailangan kong mag-double jacket. Ito yung sa inner. Naka-neon yan para hindi mawala if ever maligaw ako. At least makita agad. So, tinali ko na yung buhok ko para sa ano. Ano yung mangyayari ngayon? Sobrang nakakatakot. Kinakabahan ako guys. But anyway, this is our outfit. Comfy lang. Mag-shoes ako mamaya. Ayun ko pala kayo dito. Check tayo ng shoes. Ito na yung luggage natin. 1, 2, 3. Yung ika-4 nasa taas pa. I mean, hindi pa totally finished yung ika-4. Ipa-finalize pa natin. Dito lang pala. Ayan. Tingnan na hanap ko. Prepare na natin yung mga isusuot natin. Yan kay Lily, kay Mati, and sa akin. Okay. Let's go, guys.
Hi guys, we're going to Philippines today.
It looks like you're not happy. You want to stay? Oh, you want to stay here in the house?
No.
So let me show your t-shirt. I asked God for a hero and he sent me my dad. Guide us, oh Lord, in our flight today. So you pray na, Lord, guide our flight today, oh Lord. Hope that we will land it safe in Philippines. Guys, malapit na yung lakad natin kasi 5 AM darating yung taxi. And then, ito na si Lily. Lily, say hi. Lily! So, everything is okay. I think, natataiman ako. Kinakabahan ako. But anyway, nakapaghugas na ako. Guys, nag-dishwasher lang ako ngayon para mabilisan. Ayan na. Pinano ko yan talaga na mag-dishwash today. Ayan. Okay na yung ating sink. Ayan, arrange na lang kulang. Nakadala na ako ng powder milk, water. Kalibangon siya ko doy. Okay, wait sa guys. Libang sa ko guys.
I want to watch
Okay,
on the
guys.
airplane.
Okay. You ready? So, ready na kami. Tata nagtapon ng mga basura. Mat, zip your bag properly.
No toy.
Excuse me.
First luggage is out. That's the third one. Yung backpack ko meron pa ako. Okay, kaya natin to, Beshi. Pero kaya natin. Okay. No space?
Ta jest wyższa, nie?
Hello, wala nang space mga et. Okay, let's get inside, Mati. Come on, Matt. Please sit there. Hello. Hindi magkasya yung aming. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa airport. Kaya lang na iwan yung shoes ni Lily. I'm not sure kung saan namin nalaglag. So, ito na yung aming bagahe. Hindi magkasya-kasya sa pushcart. Mati is here. Mati, where are you? Mati. Mati, what do you have? Smirk. Lily have also the poo. Not sure na saan si Tata. Si Tata lang yung pinabalik namin kasi tingnan niyo yung kaniyang shoes. Sa kabila, nawala. Baby, help me. Okay guys, inopen namin para makuha namin to. Yung kaniyang second shoes. So, nandito na tayo sa business class. So, di ba sana all business class ang mga peg? Iwan na lang namin na ito guys. Si Lily naka-change na. Yan na yung kanyang bagong shoes. Mati is there. Tata is there. Hindi pa kami tapos. Oh, nandito kami sa... Guys, look at Tata.
I'm the elephant. Elephant going to Philippines.
It's your baby. I have baby in front of me. Mati is here. Say hi, Mati. Mati. Say hi.
Come on, go.
Hello everyone. So nandito na tayo sa loob. Naka-check-in na tayo. Lily is here. Hindi pa natulog. Punta muna tayo sa CR before tayo magpa-flight. Wala ba tayong naiwan, Ed? And of course, baka nagugutom tayo. Bili tayo ng tubig, pagkain. No?
And why you stop?
Because...
You need to go.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Okay. So, update ko kayo mamaya kasi nga mag-CCR muna kami ni Inday yun.
Look.
Oh, ang saya-saya niya kasi nga nandito na tayo sa airport. Sakay na daw tayo. You know, Lily, we're going to ride the airplane.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Oh, Lolo.
Oh.
Lolo.
Si Mati ay yung kaniyang bag na walang laman. Do you have plan to drink? I know what you left. Your tumbler.
What is tumbler?
The tumbler, the one that you are putting the alcohol. You remember?
Huh?
Yeah.
I have cup.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, go back.
Guys, we forget make a travel. Oh my God! And now who make the travel? Good, give directly when you know. Now I go and we go back after 1 hour. I can.
You go back after 1 hour?
Okay. I take care of the kids and you make a travel.
12 hours. Okay.
Doesn't matter how long. I need to make a travel. You can call if something happened. Yes. Do you need me?
Of course.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay. Give me kiss.
Bili kami ng tubig. Ito lang yung tubig natin kasi sabi niya meron daw libre sa airplane. Tapos iniinom-inom niya. Sabi ko,
Bye bye.
mauubos yan pag lagi mong inom. So the kids is here. Nandito kami sa playground, guys. Asa na yun si Kuya Mati. Dito na lang kami kasi wala namang masyadong bata. And then meron silang paglaruan before flight. And our airplane. Nasaan na yung ating airplane? 8 yung flight natin, guys. Hindi mo nakikita, eh. Tapos ngayon, ano pa oras? 6:46. Guys, malapit na yung flight natin. Mag-aalas 8 na. Ayan. Nakikita nyo na yung malaking bird. Time check, 7:24. Lily and Mati is eating. Ayan sa Lily. Hey! How are you? Malita, eh. And Mati is there. Hey, come here, love. Don't go far. Come. Mati is eating also, of course. Hindi tayo magpapatalo. Magdala tayo ng isang pack ng tinapay. You eat properly, love? You want drink water? Yan na yung isa. Nagpopo yan siya, kaya kailangan nating change before flight. Guys, we're going to airplane now sa ating gate. Na-change ko na tong dalawang bata to kasi si Mati matutulog mamaya for sure. Nalagyan natin siya ng diaper. Ayan yung isa. May time siyang maglakad-lakad. 9 hours yung ating first flight. Then, magla-layover tayo sa Qatar. Then after Qatar, Qatar to Manila. I think 6 hours yung last flight natin. Outside, it's fogging. Hindi nyo nakikita na. Kasi nagpa-fog na. Punta na tayo sa gate. Guys, kami yung nauna. Si Tata nandoon pa. Bye, Lile! Tata is there. Nauna na yung mga bata. Yes! Qatar Airways! Hello! Salamat, Poland! Sana hindi tayo mag-manifest going sa the past or present.
Switch your electronic devices and mobile phones to flight mode. And remember, smoking, including the use of lighters,
I'm here?
matches,
Oh,
and
you're here.
Our
e-cigarettes
first
are not
flight.
permitted.
What time is our flight?
8:40 a.m.
8:40 a.m. yung flight namin. Then time right now is 8:15.
We have a lot of time
We have a lot of time. So
because
we
you know we use the business entrance with the kids.
will, yeah. Dahil merong priority dito sa Poland.
No,
Priority
it's
yung
Qatar. I think it's not that.
Ah, yes, ang Qatar Airways, meron silang priority. But in Philippines, no, they don't have the priority. I remember last time, not
Of
priority
course, it
the
depends
baby.
of the country
It depends on the country.
and the
Sa
people.
Pilipinas, walang priority yung baby doon sa Qatar Airways.
How much? What's doing there?
Is eating already?
Are you hungry? No?
Yes.
Pound. It's good. He likes white
You eat
chocolate.
your, coconut?
It's white chocolate, yeah, with coconut.
Okay, guys, update you
Taste.
later. We have how many hours travel? 9 hours?
Now it's 5 or 6.
Going to Qatar?
Yes.
5 or 6. And then after that, this one is the short flight.
No,
Then
short it's from Manila to Dumaguete.
na, I mean, going to Philippines, you know? Going to Philippines.
Yeah.
This is the short flight. Poland to Qatar, then later, long flight to Qatar to Philippines. Because it's 9 hours to 10?
Yeah.
9 hours to 10. So, magre-relax muna kami, guys. And see you later, Philippines.
I go sleep. Play the cartoon.
Okay, can you please?
English. You have kids. You have entertainment. It's movie, yes. Movie. It's for kids.
Gusto niya. Well,
It's the type of video, yeah.
yeah.
But wait.
Everyone is sleeping. Is there? Tata is here. Volta want to sleep now. What is your food, Tata?
Corned
What is your
beef.
food?
Salty corned beef.
Salty corned beef. Kamatis. Wait. Tapos na kami kumain. And we have 2 chicken breasts and 1 corned beef. Corned beef? No, it's a beef. Spicy beef. Then si Mati natulugan na siya kasi nga inintay niya talaga yung pagkain bago siya katulog daw kasi ayaw niyang matulog na. Hindi siya nakakain. Naglalasing na kami. Katulog ang panahon. Si Lela is here. And Mati ay tulog pa siya, Ed. So, maglalandig na tayo. Ito yung ating labas. Kaya. Ni hao.
Sige naman, tao na siya katulog. Okay. So, i-off ko muna kasi sakitan na naman yung pahinga ni Lily dahil nga sa pressure. Si Mandy walang bala. Gumising. Tulog na tulog. Jet lag na naman kami. Guys, andito na tayo sa Qatar Airport. Of course, international food court and toilet. Kasi nga, gumamit na naman kami ng toilet na Indayon. And then of course, after 2 hours, may flight na tayo. Magpapacheck muna tayo sa ating mga kargalan. And ito na nga, Pilipinas na tayo. Maglo-long flight pa tayo, guys. Bago tayo makapunta sa Pilipinas. I think 9 to 10 hours yung ating biyahe. And then, meron na akong nakasakay kanina. Pilipinas, si ate. Hala, nakalimutan ko magtanong ng pangalan. Pastilan. Basta, nag-usap kami. Like, marami kami pinag-usapan. Pero hindi namin tinanong. Hindi ko tinanong yung pangalan. Nakalimutan ko na lang. Nakipag-marites ako. My goodness. So, makita ko siya mamaya. Tatanungin ko yung pangalan niya, guys. Baby, where is baby? Okay, guys. Malapit na tayo sa... Asa na si tata? Kakasakay namin ng train. Kakalabas lang namin sa bus train. Anong tawag niya? Yung train nila dito sa Qatar International Airport. And then, ito na nga. Hanapin natin yung gate natin. A9. Lily is still okay. Hindi pa naman siya nagtantrum. Mati is there. And Tata. And hindi, parang wala kaming planong mag-shopping ngayon, guys. Walang planong mag-shopping. Swarovski. Infinity watches. What else? Alam nyo, guys, sa kakalakad ko na meron akong backpack at saka meron pa akong dala sa harap. At meron pa sa gilikan, sa giliran. Gusto ko nang mag-wheelchair. Nahirapan ako sa kalisod. Pero dahil nga papunta tayo sa Pilipinas, okay, kakayanin. So yung ate, oh, napakabaka. Lagay ng backpack, Mate. What is inside your backpack? Toy and what? Maybe can we ride like this, oh? Mihaw. Guys, nandito na kami sa second plane. So, sama-sama na kami dito. 4 na upuan. Lily's here. Hopefully makatulog siya whole flight. Kasi last flight hindi siya nakatulog. And then si Mati, like mga 3 or 4 hours lang siya nakatulog. And then maganda dito kasi 4 talaga. Yung first play namin is 3 lang. Tapos isa kay separated kaya nag-ano na lang kami. So ito na, gisabak na lang ako si Lily. Mati, are you excited?
Yeah.
When we arrive, we are already in. We're already in
In
Philippines or in Jadik.
Philippines.
Oh, you need to answer properly or else Jadik will pick you up.
I will take you to that.
Hindi siya nakikinig. Gahi na yung ulo, guys. Hindi naman siya nakikinig sa atin. Meron na siyang sariling mundo. Tata, how are you in there?
Stressful.
Stressful. So, malalaman nyo bakit stress siya. Thank you so much. Okay, souvenir na si Lily. Lily have souvenir from Qatar Airways. Thank you so much. Mamaya na natin to i-open. Kasi parang matutulog na si Lily, oh. She's going to sleep for now. Mati also have the same. What do you have there, love?
I love Philippines.
What do you want? Lay down, lay down. Come here, hug mama.
Это твоя salad на тебе.
Hey, baby, I don't get my hat. No, to już wiem czego. Now I know what I forget in the house from Poland. Mati, actually, how are you, Mati? Good. Very good. You happy?
Yeah.
Yes. What you want to do in Philippines?
Play with this ball.
Ah, okay. Like it's the gift from Qatar Airways for the kids.
Magda?
Czekaj, otwieram.
A, a, otwieram.
Proszę, otwórz, zobacz. Wow, kredki. You
Ja,
can paint this.
ja,
And it's a sticker.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have your attention, please? This is the paging announcement. Paging for the
Hello guys! Good evening everybody! Nagtagay na naman si Tata. Libre tagay dito sa airplane. Ang mahal-mahal pa naman dito ng rent pa namin sa airplane na yun. Lili guys, nakatulog na. Ayan. Tulog na tulog. Tapos, ano pa? Nagtagay na naman si Sir.
Okay.
Kahit saan. Marami kasi dito, ano, free. Hindi. Yung clothing na sa binayad namin. Oh, diba? Si Lily, may kama na siyang sa kanya. May kama na siya. Kanina pa yan siya natulog. Yup. Hello guys. Malapit na tayong maglanding. Si Mati natulog pa siya. And then, I think 1 hour na lang maglalanding tayo. Tata is there. Si Lily nang mamarites. Ewan ko na saan na yun siya. Nasa harap. I'm not sure na saan siya. Basta nandito si Mati. Guardia Civil. Kasi yung kaniyang baby nag-ano ng mamarites kahit saan. Hay nako Lord. Hindi ako natulog whole flight. Gusto kong matulog pero kaano-ano akong matagaluha-luha. Nagnanakaw daw si Lily ng mga toys ng baby. May baby kasi doon sa harap. Tapos, gusto niya makipaglaro. I mean, wala lang. Gusto niya kunin yung mga laruan. Hindi, ayaw niya makipaglaro sa baby, but gusto niya kunin yung laruan. Natulog kasi yung kalaro niya dito, guys. And mga ilang minuto na lang, maglalanding na tayo sa Pilipinas. Maglalanding tayo na, sabihin ko sa inyo in the future, guys, bakit ano ang nangyayari? Bakit kami nandito sa Pinas? Hindi pa kasi ako ready and everything is not yet sure. Confirm muna namin ang lahat kung ano yung nangyayari. Lumsam, show it. Okay, give it to me. Kaya ko to.
You go first.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, follow.
Matt. Guys, we're going.
Baby, keep on
Touch.
getting happy.
Oh,
Come on.
no chicks. Si Mati ang aga-aga, no chicks na
Good
guys.
boy.
But touchdown Manila. One ride more and we're home.
Mamayang gabi na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas ahead.
Meron sa akin ngayon. Tawag sinaapis ako.
Vlog na tayo kasi nandito na tayo sa Pilipinas.
Tutulong na.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Daw ma'am, nasa seat lang.
Hindi ko alam anong oras nandito sa Pilipinas kasi hindi ako nakikinig sa
Yes, say them normal.
sa announcement. Baby, what time is it now?
8:27 a.m.
It's 8 a.m. in the Philippines. Oh my
We have
goodness.
5 hours next flight.
In Poland, it's still 1 a.m.
Yeah.
Natutulog pa kami ngayon. Wala akong tulog whole flight, so meaning jet lag na be. Dito pa tayo sa labas, kaya siga yung ating mga mata. But later, jet lag na naman yung abuti natin. Buti pa to si Mati at saka si Lily. Natulog sila. Where's Tata?
Up there.
Hanapin natin si Tata. Naghiwalay kasi kami ng landas. Kasi una kasi kami sa imigrasyon. Ngayon, kukuha tayo ng ating luggage, guys. Nasaan na si Tata? I saw Tata somewhere there. Look. Ang daming tao eh. Malaki kasi yung Qatar Airways sa sinakyan natin. Aray ko, Lili. Aray. Sana yung ating bagahe. Dalawa yung kinuha ko kasi para meron kami para sa backpack and luggage. Alam nyo naman yung luggage namin, 4 na piraso. 4 na piraso. Okay guys, nakuha na natin yung 4 nating luggage. Nagkimpang-kimpa nga lang yung ating... No, don't touch her because she have painful. Meron kaming assistance dahil nga first time namin dito sa Manila International Airport. Then meron tayong second ride going to Dumaguete after 5 hours. So sabi ni Kuya, meron daw tayong free shuttle. Free shuttle, Kuya, no? Oh. Ginagawa mo, Mati. Guys, nandito na tayo sa priority line. Long line ng priority line dito sa Philippine Airlines. Tata is here. Of course, bago kami dumating dito is nagkalisod pa kami, no?